Good afternoon, guys. God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. It is a hot one. I had a long day working, but I was actually at Walmart, and I've been wanting a rolling chair. But I'm gonna call this my detail rolling bucket. All right, so this is gonna be way different than probably the chairs you've purchased, right? If you're like me, you're always probably looking to save the best or the most. And I've seen some chairs go from $20 up to $169. All right, so hopefully my method or my way that I'm about to show you is maybe gonna change your mind on going this route. Okay, so as I was at Walmart, I passed these two items and my mind started rolling. Okay, so this is the bucket trolley. Okay, this is under about $15 at Walmart. And then we have the tool caddy. All right, this was less than $4. All right, so I'm about to show you a way that under $30 you guys can make a detail rolling bucket. All right, and so far I'm gonna say this is the best. I'm gonna say this is the best rolling chair, rolling bucket. It's gonna be a game changer for many reasons. All right, so I bought these two things. We all have a bucket at home, guys. All right, so we all have a bucket. Okay, put that sucker in there, tighten up the little screws on the side it comes with. It has some very nice little wheels. They seem to work very nicely. I'm sure you're able to upgrade your wheels if you want to bigger ones, but these they look like they're pretty good. All right, so many uses to this. You can either fill it up and use it to wash your wheels, your tires, for whatever you wish. But for me, this is gonna be my polishing rolling bucket. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing next is throw all my pads in here. All right, and yeah, some are dirty. I've been busy polishing, correcting, doing ceramic coatings, so I gotta clean all these pads up. All right, you can throw all your pads in here. You can throw your brushes in there. Okay, and then you get your little tool caddy, put that little bad boy in there. Okay, and then you can put your polishes. Okay, put your polishes in here. Bam, that quick, and there you go, guys. You have a rolling detail bucket. All right, and then you're gonna be thinking, how am I gonna sit? All right, this was $10 at Walmart. Okay, so for me, just put it right there. This was actually very comfy. Just put it right there, guys. Take a seat, and you're good to go. It's actually very maneuverable. Now, if I fall, excuse me, but it puts you right at eye level when you polish. So this is perfect. So you'll have perfect maneuverability with your polisher, and it's gonna work just right. Easy on the back. My knees, you can probably tell, I'm usually on my knees because I don't have kneecaps. But guys, I feel like this is a game changer for many of us, maybe that are starting. You can't afford one of those expensive rolling chairs. So this is definitely an amazing way that you can maximize results. It's quick and easy. You have everything at your fingertips. You just get up real quick, get your next pad out, boom, change it out, and then sit back on it and get to work. So let me know what you guys think. Under $30, guys. All of this for under $30. If you don't, everybody has a bucket. The bucket's gonna fit there just right, guys. So for under $30, you guys can have a bucket with endless uses, from washing a car to polishing a vehicle. My way, this is just a small way that I'm gonna be using it. You can put all sorts of things in here, and it's gonna be a game changer. So the best detail bucket. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think on the comment section. If you have any idea something like this, let me know. Have a blessed day, and we'll see y'all next time.